Hey, Power Molecules community!
Welcome back to the channel where we dive deep into the science of nature's most fascinating compounds. Today, we're exploring Fisetin, a vibrant flavonoid found in strawberries, apples, and other foods that's gaining attention for its potential in cellular health and longevity. Is Fisetin just another plant compound, or does it have real power to support your wellness? Stick around as we unpack the science, history, and practical tips behind this colorful molecule. Before we get started, a quick note. This video is for educational purposes only and is not medical advice. Dietary supplements, including those containing Fisetin, are not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. Always consult a healthcare professional before trying any supplement. So what exactly is Fisetin? Fisetin is a naturally occurring flavonoid, a type of polyphenol that gives fruits and vegetables their bright colors and protective properties. It's found in foods like strawberries, apples, persimmons, onions, and cucumbers, with strawberries being the richest source. Chemically, Fisetin is a potent antioxidant with a structure that allows it to interact with cellular pathways, making it a standout among flavonoids like quercetin or camphorol. It's like a molecular guardian, and scientists are excited about its role in supporting health, particularly as we age. Let's start with Fisetin's biggest claim to fame, its potential as a senolytic. Senolytics are compounds that help clear out senescent cells, aging cells that stop dividing but linger in your body, releasing harmful substances that can drive inflammation and tissue damage. This process, called senescence, is linked to aging and age-related decline. Studies suggest that Fisetin may support cellular health by selectively targeting senescent cells, helping your body remove them. For example, a 2018 study in Nature Medicine found that Fisetin reduced senescent cells in animal models, improving tissue function. This doesn't mean Fisetin stops aging. It's just a promising area of research. You can find that study linked in the description below for a deeper dive. But Fisetin's story doesn't stop there. Another key area of interest is its antioxidant properties. Free radicals, unstable molecules from pollution, UV rays, or metabolism, can damage cells over time, contributing to oxidative stress. Fisetin acts as a direct antioxidant, neutralizing free radicals, and also boosts your body's own antioxidant defenses by activating pathways like NRF2. A 2019 study in antioxidants showed that Fisetin protected cells from oxidative damage in lab models, supporting overall cellular resilience. This dual action makes Fisetin a powerful ally in the fight against cellular wear and tear. Let's talk about Fisetin and inflammation. Chronic inflammation can accelerate aging and contribute to health challenges. Fisetin may help modulate inflammation by inhibiting pro-inflammatory pathways, such as those involving cytokines or enzymes like COX-2. A 2020 study in molecular nutrition and food research found that Fisetin reduced inflammatory markers in animal models, suggesting it could support a balanced inflammatory response. This isn't a cure for inflammation. It's just an exciting piece of the puzzle researchers are exploring. Let's put this in perspective. Think of your body as a garden, with senescent cells as weeds that clog up the soil, and inflammation as pests that harm the plants. Fisetin might act like a skilled gardener, pulling weeds and keeping pests in check to help the garden thrive. It's not replanting the garden, it's just helping it flourish. Pretty cool, right? Now here's another intriguing area. Fisetin's potential to support brain health. Your brain is vulnerable to oxidative stress, inflammation, and senescent cell buildup, which can affect cognitive function over time. Fisetin's ability to cross the blood-brain barrier makes it particularly interesting. Studies suggest it may support neuronal health by reducing oxidative damage and inflammation. A 2017 study in Journals of Gerontology found that Fisetin improved cognitive performance in animal models, possibly by clearing senescent cells in the brain. Human studies are limited, so don't expect Fisetin to be a memory miracle. It's a developing field with exciting potential. So, how does Fisetin work in your body? Fisetin is absorbed in the gut, but its bioavailability is low. Your body metabolizes it quickly. This is like savoring a fine dessert but only getting a small taste. To improve absorption, Fisetin is often taken with fats or compounds like piperine. Its effects are mediated through pathways like NRF2 for antioxidants, senolytic activity for cellular cleanup, and anti-inflammatory signaling. Because of its low bioavailability, supplements often use higher doses or specialized formulations to maximize impact. Let's talk about getting Fisetin from food. Strawberries are the star with about 16 milligrams per 100 grams, roughly a cup. Other sources include apples, 4 milligrams per 100 grams, persimmons, 10 milligrams per 100 grams, and onions, 5 milligrams per 100 grams. Studies often use doses of 100-500 milligrams of Fisetin per day. which would require eating dozens of cups of strawberries, impractical for most. To boost Fisetin intake, try adding strawberries to smoothies, snacking on apples, or tossing onions into stir-fries. Cooking may reduce Fisetin content, so raw or lightly cooked foods are best. Now, let's address supplements. Fisetin supplements are gaining traction, often derived from plants like the Japanese wax tree, or synthesized for purity. They typically provide 100-200 milligrams per dose, matching studied amounts. Because Fisetin is fat-soluble, taking it with a meal can enhance absorption. Look for products with third-party testing and clear labeling, as quality varies. Some combine Fisetin with other flavonoids like quercetin for synergistic effects. If you're considering a supplement, check with your doctor, as research on long-term use is still emerging. Let's talk safety. According to the National Institutes of Health, Fisetin from food is generally safe, and supplements appear well tolerated at doses up to 200 milligrams per day. Side effects are rare, but may include mild digestive upset at higher doses. Fisetin's interactions with medications are not well studied, but it may affect liver enzymes, so it's crucial to consult a healthcare professional before starting a supplement, especially if you're on medications or have health conditions. Pregnant or breastfeeding women should avoid supplements due to limited safety data. Let's step back and explore Fisetin's roots. Flavonoids like Fisetin have been part of human diets for millennia, embedded in fruits and vegetables across cultures. In traditional practices, foods rich in flavonoids like berries and onions were valued for their vitality and immune-supporting properties. Fisetin was first identified in the 19th century, but its role as a senolytic wasn't uncovered until the 2010s, sparking a surge of research. This blend of ancient dietary wisdom and modern science makes Fisetin a fascinating bridge between past and present. When you eat a strawberry or take a Fisetin supplement, you're tapping into a legacy of health that spans centuries. That's pretty inspiring, don't you think? So why is Fisetin so popular today? Its link to senolytics, antioxidants, and healthy aging has made it a rising star in the wellness world. You'll find Fisetin in longevity supplements, brain health formulas, and even skincare products, thanks to its cellular protective properties. The growing interest in anti-aging science has fueled this trend, but we need to cut through the hype. Fisetin isn't a magic pill. Its effects depend on your diet, lifestyle, and individual needs. Let's bring this to life with an example. Imagine you're someone in your 50s, focused on staying vibrant and supporting your long-term health. You've heard about Fisetin and wonder if it could help. Based on research, eating Fisetin-rich foods like strawberries or apples might support your cellular health by reducing oxidative stress and clearing senescent cells. If you're considering supplements for a higher dose, you'd want to choose a high-quality product and check with your doctor to ensure it's safe. It's all about balance. Fisetin is a tool, not a cure. So, how do you choose a Fisetin supplement if you're interested? First, look for standardized extracts with 98% Fisetin or higher, ideally from natural sources. Second, choose brands with transparent sourcing and third-party testing. Certifications are a good sign. And third, stick to studied doses, typically 100-200 milligrams per day, but your doctor can guide you. In the description below, we've linked a few carefully selected Fisetin supplements with effective formulations so you can explore quality options. One final note, Fisetin research is still evolving. Many studies are done in labs, on animals, or with small human groups, so we need larger, long-term trials to fully understand its benefits. This doesn't mean Fisetin isn't worth exploring. It just means we should approach it with curiosity and caution. Science is a process, and Fisetin is one of its brightest chapters. To wrap it up, Fisetin is a remarkable molecule with a rich history and promising research. Studies suggest it may support cellular health, antioxidant defenses, a balanced inflammatory response, and brain health through its senolytic and antioxidant actions, but it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. Its presence in everyday foods makes it accessible, and supplements can help boost intake. If you're curious about adding Fisetin to your routine, talk to your doctor to see if it's right for you. And check the description below for curated supplement options and links to studies from the National Institutes of Health and other trusted sources. Thanks for joining me on this deep dive into Fisetin. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and let me know in the comments. Do you love strawberries? Or is there another molecule you want us to explore next? Maybe urolithin A, apigenin, or something totally new? Stay curious, stay empowered, and I'll see you in the next video.